Welcome to Murray County Schools, where we're shaping the future through innovative programs that prepare our students for success. We're excited to take you on a journey through our career, technical, and agricultural education programs, or CTAE, and showcase how they're making a difference in our community. Our audio-video production pathway empowers students with the skills to create captivating content. From filming to editing, our students are the visionaries of tomorrow's entertainment. The Culinary Arts program is a hot favorite among our students. They're mastering the art of flavor, presentation, and hospitality, turning their culinary dreams into reality. In business technology, students learn the skills that keep industries running, from marketing and finance to management and entrepreneurship. They're the future leaders of business and innovation. Our law and public safety programs prepare students to serve and protect. With hands-on training, they develop the skills to become the next generation of first responders and public servants. In electronics and engineering, students learn to design, build, and innovate. From circuit boards to robotics, they're at the forefront of technology and problem solving. Our cosmetology program is shaping the next generation of beauty professionals, making waves in the world of style and self-expression. Students are beautifying the world, one client at a time. Agriculture is the backbone of our community, and our programs equip students with the knowledge and skills to nurture our land and sustain our future, ensuring a prosperous agricultural heritage. From first aid to patient care, our healthcare science students are gaining real-world experience that prepares them for careers in nursing, sports medicine, and beyond. They're the future of healthcare, learning today to care for tomorrow. In early childhood education, students learn to nurture young minds, building the foundation for future generations. Whether in classrooms or childcare settings, they're shaping the future, one child at a time. In construction, we're building more than just structures, we're building futures. With hands-on training in carpentry, our students are laying the foundation for successful careers and a stronger community. And let's not forget our welding program, where sparks of creativity and precision ignite in every student. Here, students have mastered the art of joining metals, creating structures that are strong and resilient. As Murray County's industries continue to grow, our CTAE graduates are in high demand, contributing to the growth of our vibrant community. The GE Logistics Center and the Appalachian Regional Port are just a glimpse of the rapid expansion that is happening right here in Murray County. Tourism also continues to grow, with new businesses opening every week in our historic downtown area, and our successful CTAE programs are helping to fuel that growth. Speaking of success, both of our high school CTAE programs recently produced some shining stars. North Murray High School's Kyle Shoemaker took home gold in the Skills USA Georgia Sports Hype video contest, while Olivia Thomason earned silver in job skills demonstration. And Murray County High School's Zahir Trejo, Om Patel, and Antero Jarquin were crowned Skills USA State Champions for their incredible chapter display, and will represent Georgia this summer at the Skills USA National Convention. Our agriculture programs continue to thrive as well. North Murray's FFA Land Evaluation Team took home first place at the State Land Evaluation Career Development event, while Murray County High School's Livestock Team had an impressive showing at the Georgia National Junior Livestock Show, with 4 students finishing in the top 10. Our CTAE programs are more than education. They are pathways to opportunities and success. They are a big part of why Murray County is growing, and they are the reason why our students are ready for the future. Through CTAE, we're shaping dreams, forging careers, and building a thriving community.